In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Bluetooth adapter is missing from Device Manager. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the Start menu and go in search for Device Manager and open this window. Expand the drop-down arrow next to Bluetooth, and from here you should be able to locate your Bluetooth adapter. Now, if you don't see a Bluetooth adapter here, then there's a couple of reasons for that. The first reason could be that your computer or laptop doesn't support Bluetooth capabilities. So if this is the case for you, there's not really much you can do other than buy a Bluetooth adapter. You can purchase a USB Bluetooth adapter that plugs directly into your computer, and that will provide you with Bluetooth capabilities. Now, if your computer already has Bluetooth installed, but you just don't see it in Device Manager, then what we're going to do is just click on Action in the top navigation, go and select Scan for Hardware Changes, and then you can check to see if it's now appeared. Now, if it's still not working, click on View and click on Show Hidden Devices, and sometimes you can now find it in the Hidden Devices list. Now, if it's still not appearing, then we're going to need to install the drivers manually. So in order to make sure we download the correct Bluetooth adapters, you need to go and search for the make and model of your computer. So I'm just going to open up my Start menu and search for System Information and click on this. And then we're going to come down to Baseboard Product, and you should get a series of numbers and letters. So this is the model number of your computer. So what I'm going to do is type this into Google. Now, once you've typed this in, you can go and type in Bluetooth driver at the end of your search and press enter. So you effectively just need to do a little bit of research here to try and find your Bluetooth driver. So for me, I need to go and install an Intel Bluetooth driver, as that's what my laptop currently runs from. So now we have the information that we need an Intel Bluetooth driver. What I'm going to do is just type in Intel Bluetooth driver in the search box and press enter. You can then click on the official Intel website, and you can go and download and install the Bluetooth driver directly from here. Once you've installed your new driver, you will need to go in, restart your computer, and that's how you fix missing Bluetooth adapters. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.